Well, let's check out this absolutely gorgeous under chassis of the '72 Chevy Nova. I've had a lot of cars, and this might be about the prettiest under chassis that I've ever had. You can see these new polyurethane bushings. They last almost forever, and they do sometimes squeak. So sometimes when I drive the first few miles, I'll hear some squeaking, and then it seems to kind of go away. Isn't this floor just gorgeous? There's a little bit of road dirt on this, but not much. I hope you can tell in this video that this subframe is actually painted gray, sort of a silverish gray, which really looks nice. Isn't this contrast pretty? Seems like everybody always paints these frames a trim black, which is actually correct, but I like this silver gray. It's just nice. You can see all the new steering and suspension parts, front disc brakes.